guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing Calabar Water Bomb Magic Water Creme Hydrating Glow Moisturizer. So mainly it is known as Water Bomb Moisturizer, and it says that it has 72 hours power hydration, like it will hydrate your skin for the longer time. This is that kind of moisturizer that hydrates your face and also moisturize your face. So this is that kind of moisturizer, and hydrating moisturizers are mainly suitable for like a humid and hot climate. And the best part about this Calabar Water Bomb Moisturizer is that it's cruelty free, it's dermatologically tested, it's 100% vegan. I love the products when it is 100% vegan, that I really appreciate, and it's paraben free. That's amazing. Like it does not have any harmful ingredients in it. This is how the packaging looks. On the back side of the packaging you can see all the important details are mentioned. So guys, this product comes in a plastic bottle like this, and it has a pump on it, so you can just take out the product and you can apply it easily. It's very lightweight. You'll get around 30 ml of quantity for 850 rupees. Of course, for sensitive skin people can use this one. If you have oily skin, if you have dry skin, you can go for this moisturizer. Hydration is something that is needed by all different skin type, whether it's oily, dry or combination. So that's the reason you can use this hydrating moisturizer. It comes in easy like pump tube packaging, and this is how it looks like. So this is the actual formula. I'll just blend it. It has this gel like texture, and it's very lightweight. It's non-sticky. It is very thin and lightweight and blends beautifully like a water into your skin. So I'll take a little bit on my face. So I have like a combination skin. So my T area is a little bit oily, and the sides of my face is dry, so I have that kind of skin, and sometimes my like complete skin will be towards the drier side. So that's how my skin changes. So I'll just blend it into my skin, and what I feel is it is non-sticky, like it's non-sticky moisturizer. Wow, that's really nice. So oily skin people can definitely go with this moisturizer. And when I blend this formula, it has like a gel like, very lightweight gel like formula. It's not gel also, because once you blend this product, it blends into your skin like a water, like with the finger you can see like a thick water, I would say. So it's that kind of moisturizer, very lightweight, and it sinks into your skin beautifully, and you can see it has added a lot of glow on my face. That's the reason I felt like it's perfect for summers, for all different skin type. There are some moisturizers in the market, you know, that comes with that are illuminating moisturizer that comes with Simo particle in it, and when you apply those, you know, moisturizer, that adds certain glow to your face and gives you that dewy look. But the thing is, if you put on these kind of, you know, shimmery based moisturizer on your skin, that is not good for your skin actually, because there is some foreign particles, that shimmer things, which doesn't suit some. When we talk about the fragrance, it has very mild fragrance. It is not like something which smells a lot, and very organic kind of fragrance it has. I love my skin after applying this moisturizer. It has added the glow, and my skin looks very healthy. With this moisturizer, you will not need any, you know, primer water or, you know, any toner or something to start your makeup. You can straight away apply this moisturizer. It will moisturize and hydrate your skin, and then you can go on with your primer and your foundation, and like that you can build up your makeup base. So definitely you can go with this moisturizer. So yeah guys, that's all my thought and review on Calabar Water Bomb Moisturizer, and I hope you all enjoyed watching the review, and you can check out my other reviews related to different moisturizer from Calabar brand, and you will get the ideas like what are the different range of moisturizers and what's going trending in the market, makeup related updates, and I also do a lot of like hairstyling tools related reviews. And yeah, that's all. You can follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you all very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.